February 2nd, 1947. Ash Rutledge and Vic Zito, two men just home from World War II, open an ice cream parlor at the corner of 8th Avenue in Riverside. Ice cream cones, a nickel. A sundae you could buy for a quarter. That was more than 30 years ago, and I am happy to report that Vic's Ice Cream is still here. Same location, same exact ice cream. Well, of course, that nickel cone now sells for 60 cents, but other than that, not much has changed here at Vic's. They still have kids who bring in their weekly allowance here for a scoop or two, and they still make all their own ice cream, which is one reason this place has survived. They first had a machine that would turn out 5 gallons of ice cream every 15 minutes. Now, their new fancy one can turn out twice that much in about half the time. Faster, but still the same recipe, the same flavor of the old days. When they first opened, Vic's sold only ice cream. Now, though, thanks to customers' requests, they serve sandwiches and snacks. An amazing crowd for a business that you don't see too often today. It seems like the neighborhood ice cream parlor is fastly becoming a thing of the past.
Yeah, I think it's a shame. I think it's a shame. I think this is the greatest thing that there is to have a neighborhood store where everybody can come and be a part of. They feel as much a part of this place as I do, you know?
You know them, they know you.
Oh, sure. We're in the 3rd and 4th generation of many families.
How does that make you feel? I mean, you're now giving kids of kids ice cream.
Well, besides making me feel old, it gives me the greatest satisfaction in the world. This is what being in business for yourself is all about, as far as I'm concerned. It's being successful, first of all, and putting bread on the table, but secondly, being a part of everybody's life. I mean, I feel like I'm a part of everybody's life that comes in here, and they're all a part of this, you know?
In the 30-plus years they've been open, Vic's has become a big part of this neighborhood. The place is successful. People love it. So why haven't we seen a lot of Vic's popping up in other Sacramento neighborhoods?
In my particular case, I never wanted to be the richest man in the cemetery. I always was satisfied to just make a nice living, and that's what I've done, and I'm grateful.
Ooh. Thank you. Well, I must continue my work here at Vic's. I tell you, is this a tough job? For Weeknight, about to get fat, I'm Bob Murphy.